Hi everyone, this is a review of the K&F Concept close-up macro lens, which is for the Osmo Pocket 3. It has a 10 times magnification and it's 25 to 40 millimeter focusing distance. It is optical glass with a magnetic alloy frame. It needs to be magnetic to connect in front of the original lens. Here it is. Comes in a plastic case as well. Cleaning cloths, and I'm not here to do an unboxing, but for the lens. So if I stick it on now, you see what happens. This is how it is. Here it comes. Obviously, it's going to be blurred. Take it off. There we go. So let's find something that I can focus on. There we go. My garden's messy, as you can see. Ideal for bugs. But it's been a wet day today, so there's not that many bugs about. So here we are. Look. This is without the lens, obviously. Now I'm about an inch away from this metal bird. Okay. Alright. Stick the lens on. There we are. Look at that. Just under an inch away. Gotta find a bug now. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I found a little ladybird on a lupin leaf here. So let's get close up. This is without the lens. As you see, I'm about an inch away. So without the lens, you need to be about 2 inches away to get it to focus. Let's stick the lens on. There we go. About an inch away. Not bad, eh? Moving even closer in. About ½ inch away. Yes, it will start to blur a bit. Let's come out. Yeah. See if we can find something else. Okay, looks, I found something. Actually, there's a lot of ladybugs here, but let's see, this sort of moth. I think it's a moth. Let's have a look. This is without the lens. Yeah, it's blowing up already. Look. Yeah, let's stick the lens on. Again, it's about an inch away. As I say, we just had rain, so there's less bugs about. Certainly no wasps or anything. What else have I seen? Oh, let's have a look. What have we got here? Look at that. Another ladybug. Apologies. Camera work is terrible. This one's moving. You keep about an inch away, you're fine. Obviously, being what it is, it blurs the background. Again, you've got to follow. You've got to follow the ladybug. We call them ladybirds in the UK. See if I can find something else. How about the top? I encourage weeds in my garden. This is a bit of grass growing. About an inch away, look. Is that a bug on there? Is that an ant? Of course you need control. You need to know what you're doing. Personally, I think it's a good lens. And well worth the money you're going to pay. I'm not going to give you the price because prices go up and down. I'm not going to. But yeah, it's actually raining at the moment. So this is what you get when you're not up close. You're going to get a blurry area, obviously. Coming up close to my little bird cage here for the little birds. See the spider? Again, you've got to be a reasonably good photographer for this. You've got to know your distances. Yes. A bug's eye view. So all in all, definitely worth the price you pay. But play with it, get used to it, and you'll love it. I'll take it off now. And yeah, definitely recommend this lens. As I say, I'm not being paid for this promotion, and I have paid for the item myself. Put your thoughts in the comments below. Bye for now, guys.